Hello dear ones, it's Alice. I'm of the stars. I'm going to do part of an MP3 that I found on Pixabay. It has to do with the conversation amongst some dolphins, and I'm going to see what happens with the birds out here today when I do that. So starting right now, I'll show you how many birds are on the telephone wire. Okay, now this is our current audience. You see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. Here's another one over here. Okay, now I'm going to play part of the music, and then we'll take a look at see what the birds have to say, and then I'll offer the same selection with my understanding of what the dolphins are saying. But right offhand, I'd say that what seems to be happening is that the dolphins are saying that they really love each other and affirming this amongst their own family. And then one of the baby dolphins sees a shark and becomes very frightened, and the mother does her best to console it. I think that the survival rate of baby dolphins is not too terrific, so this is a scene fraught with danger and probably oft enacted in the world of dolphins. And this and the other information that I've collected about different sorts of animals, birds and reptiles and so forth, makes me very grateful that in human society, because it's well organized and there's relative abundance there right now, there's greater life expectation for all the members of the people, that they take care of each other, that there's almost free medical care here in the United States, that children have a reasonable life expectancy, that seniors are well cared for in our society in the main, and that people who are very poor are looked after in a basic sort of level amongst humans. But amongst other beings on Earth, there's just a constant concern about getting enough to eat or not being eaten, and so there's a tragedy, in a manner of speaking, going on all the time, and a happiness at being alive that we humans don't experience as fully as other beings on Earth. And a gratitude for being alive, because we're not faced so much as they with the daily struggle to survive. So what did you think? Could you figure it out? Here comes Mr. Hawk. We're going to have a talk. Oh dear. Well, you see, there's not a big draw here. But Mr. Raven, he's after Mr. What'd he say? He says there's a goddamn hawk in the ocean, and not just the ocean either. Well, we have over here. Oh dear. Dear, dear, dear. Oh, dear, dear. A hawk in the ocean and a hawk in the sky, and the people just striving to get by. So now, I hope you won't be so put off. It's a sobering topic, and the songbirds, they love... Hey, what do you guys say? What did you think? What did you think? Don't hurt me, don't hurt me, don't hurt me, please, please, please. There. I see, yeah. Yeah, I know, yeah. The mama takes care of him, though. She's very big. She swims very fast. Too bad, huh? Yeah, they're still alive. They're doing okay. Whoa, what's going on up there? You know, Mr. Raven and Mr. Hawk came by just in time for the denouement, and what a great one it is. A struggle to survive in the sky, a struggle here on terra firma, and great struggles taking place within the tremendous waters of Earth. Where did they go? Where are they going? Goodness. Oh, very big. A dolphin and a shark, they're about the same size. Evenly matched, but very different. The dolphin is a mammal like a human being and a dog. And the shark is something altogether different, cartilaginous animal with a very great number of teeth, and it only likes to eat other things that live in the... Of course, dolphins also eat fish, so... What? Well, the birds surprised me today. I guess they like Viking music better than dolphin sounds because there's only a few of them here today. I can't figure it out. God bless you all and keep you safe and be with you through all your days. In love, light, and joy, this is Alice B. Clagett. I am of the stars, and so are you. Come and see me at my wonderful WordPress website, Awakening with Planet Earth. See you there. What? What? My wonderful WordPress website. I guess that Mr. Raven likes tongue twisters. It's a tongue twister. Yeah, that's it.